We started off not knowing anything about the brain, but over the past 2 weeks, we have learned so much. The brain is very intricate and detailed. We hope through our presentation you can see all the knowledge we gain on the human brain.
The frontal lobe is located in both hemispheres of the brain and is the largest of the features. Being the most important cognitive structure, it controls the prefrontal cortex, orbitofrontal cortex, Broca's area, and more, which all come together to control attention and thought, involuntary movement, decision-making, and language.
The temporal lobe contains many substructural features that control how you perceive things, face recognition, memory acquisitions, understanding language, and emotional reactions.
The parietal lobe combines information from the ventral visual pathways and dorsal visual pathways. It helps the brain to process attention awareness of the environment, manipulating objects and representing numbers.
The occipital lobes are the main visual lobes that perceive the projection of color, orientation, and motion from the retina. Neurons in this lobe separate the functions of these perceptions and merge with the temporal and parietal lobes to process all of their individual functions together.
The cerebellum contains the most neurons in the brain, controls the motor behavior and automatic movements. This allows the brain to learn and be attentive. This function also helps with balance, reflex memory, posture, timing, and sequence learning, making up 10% of the brain's weight.
The middle and inferior temporal Guipry structure controls very many cognitive functions, including word retrieval, autobiographical memory, multimodal sensory, language and semantic memory processing, and visual recognition.
The primary motor structure functions most of specific body movement, like the movement of your arms and legs.
Broca's area is located in the left frontal lobe. Of only about 97% of humans, majority is left-handers, that processes visual and written language and also comprehension.
Wernicke's area is very similar to Broca's area and is in the left hemisphere of the brain and controls language comprehension.
The brainstem is a very important structure that connects the brain to the spinal cord and consists of the pons, medulla, midbrain, and more. It controls breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure.
All information is from the app 3D Brain, which used the information from the Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory DNA Learning Center.